This is Greg Durfler from Open Source Skateboards, and I'm going to show you how to layback pump. So this is my first tutorial on the new ramp. This is a 21-foot long by 12-foot wide mini at mostly 3 feet high that took 6 months to the day to build. All quarters have a 6-foot or smaller radius, making for a steep transition and a fast ride. Sassy likes it too. For this trick, you're going to want a quarter pipe 3 feet or higher and already be comfortable with layback gears. Like a traditional layback, you're going to grab your board with your front hand and swing frontside. Only this time, you're going to push the board over the lip and kick your feet out. So you start out like a regular layback.
And then pump.
I find it helps.
And then pump.
I find it helps to keep the board pointing upward, forward, and only turn it as you get ready to land. Style-wise, stylistically, I guess, I think it looks better if you keep your feet together on the kick. I learned this trick just today and have a ways to go to perfect it. Your comments and feedback are welcome. And that's it. So thanks for watching. Until next time, and probably even then, I'm Greg Durfler with Open Source Skateboards. Have a great day.